Hello, this is Dr. Sarah here, and today I have 7 tips for telling good wildlife tales. A well-told wildlife story can inspire, motivate, and drive people to take action. By embedding facts in a narrative, people are more likely to retain and recall the information. This is why stories are essential tools in wildlife and nature protection. Storytelling is also part of being human. Storytelling has been central to human communication, culture, and survival through history, allowing people to share experiences, ideas, and emotions, fostering a sense of connection and belonging. From ancient oral traditions around the fire to modern-day novels, films, stories help us understand each other and the world around us. So why is storytelling in wildlife important? Well, wildlife storytelling is important in wildlife conservation. It bridges the gap between inaccessible scientific data and public engagement, sparking empathy and action. Stories help people connect emotionally to wildlife, fostering awareness and a deeper appreciation of nature. By turning facts into compelling narratives, we create a platform for understanding and preserving the delicate balance of ecosystems. So telling audiences, how do we know who our audience is? Before you tell a tale, understand your audience. This is essential. Tailor your story to their interests, their age, and their knowledge level. Animal stories for kids use engaging, colorful descriptions and relatable characters. For adults or policymakers, incorporate data and emphasize the stakes or the broader implications. The right tone and detail help create a personal connection and making the story memorable and impactful. Good wildlife stories are rooted in authenticity, relevance, and creativity. So start with robust research and interesting animal facts to ensure accuracy in content. Then craft a compelling narrative arc. Introduce the setting of your characters, set up a conflict or a challenge, and eventually deliver a resolution. Incorporating vivid imagery and evocative language captures attention, while focusing on the larger ecological and moral takeaways ensures that the story resonates with your audience. Now I want to talk about deductive and inductive stories. We need to decide which approach we're going to use. Deductive stories draw conclusions about individual animals from larger generalizations, while inductive stories draw conclusions about an entire species from the experiences of an individual animal. Inductive techniques are powerful because the reader connects and empathizes with an individual. I use this method in both Saving Sun Bears, where I use the experience of a sun bear called Gutuk to represent sun bear trauma, a sun bear called Bonkut to illustrate how climate change is impacting individual bears, and Coco to explain how agricultural changes affect wildlife. I also use amazing animal stories to illustrate a wider conservation topic for children in the Wildlife Wong books, leading to personal revelation or conclusion. Now, I think it's important to avoid anthropomorphism. So that means pretending or using animals as stand-ins for humans. It can be tempting to attribute human traits to animals. Unfortunately, doing this can lead to misconceptions. So instead of making animals human-like, try to tell animal stories that celebrate their unique behaviors and ecological role. Highlighting their actual qualities fosters a genuine appreciation and understanding of their place in the natural world. And that's where your good research comes in. When you actually start writing, I suggest you try using all your senses. You can bring a story to life by engaging all the senses to immerse your audience in the wildlife story. Describe the visual splendor of a rainforest or the calls of birds at dawn, the scent of blooming flowers, or the texture of a tiger's fur. Sensory details evoke emotions and memories, creating a vivid and a relatable experience. By weaving facts with emotional resonance and sensory appeal, storytellers can drive meaningful change, ensuring a future where wildlife and humanity coexist harmoniously. No matter if you're a teacher igniting the love of nature in children, a zookeeper showcasing a species, or a tour guide talking about wildlife extinction, or even a parent imparting awe with nature, wildlife storytelling is a powerful tool that educates, inspires, and mobilizes. By weaving facts and emotional resonance and sensory appeal, storytellers can drive meaningful change, ensuring a future where wildlife and humanity coexist harmoniously. Now, don't forget, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. There are a lot more videos there, a lot more educational blogs, and videos of the experiments in my Wildlife Wong books as well. I hope to see you there.